Welcome to my channel. My main purpose: to provide you with educational tutorials. Watch my videos so that you can easily do your work without anyone's help. With the help of the video, can solve the problem. Different cash deposit procedures of each bank. There are already videos on how to make cash deposits from other banks. If you wish, you can see how to deposit in other banks. Today's tutorial on how to make a public bank cash deposit. So let's get started on the original video. You only follow which machine, ATM or cash deposit, or only cash deposit. First, touch the skin of the ATM machine with your hand. Look in the bottom right, click to continue. Select the language. I did English language selection. There are many options. I did cash deposit selection. Since we will make a cash deposit, write down your desired bank account. I will go to the keyboard below to type the account number in this machine. I entered the account number. After entering the account number down from the right side of the keyboard, press enter green color. Look on the skin. If the account number is correct, the computer system will automatically display the account holder name and the account number. So I checked again to see if my account number and account holder's name were correct. Everything is fine. Yes, that's right. If something is wrong, I will click number, reminding us envelopes, papers, clips, pins, coins. 5 ringgit note will not receive all like that money. After turning OK down on the left side, the cash drawer is automatically opened. Now I will pay with my money. As it is, I will straighten it vertically. I paid. The door closed automatically. The countdown has started automatically. I had a lot of money notes. Many notes had new notes. The money was not packed. The state was not nice. So after receiving some money, he returned the rest. The cash drawer was opened. I took the money again, neatly arranged it, and again I entered the cash drawer money. Automatic closed. The money started counting automatically. Need to wait a bit. The system is counting the money I give. Look on the skin. The list of the amount of money I have given has come up. How many notes have I given? How much is the total amount? Everything is showing here. If there is any mistake in the money I have given or the counting is wrong, then I will click no. If I want to put more money, I will deposit more at once in the same account. Then I will click add more. If this money is right, then I will click Yes. I clicked on Yes. Now look on the skin. My transaction is accepted. I have to wait a bit. Finally counts my money. Gives me a slip. I'm waiting. You see, my slip has arrived. I'll look at the slip. If I want to do more transactions, if I want to deposit more, then I will click Yes. And if I don't do the transaction, I will click number, so I clicked NOO. I will look at the account number. I will look at the name. I will look at the amount of money. I will see if everything is okay. This is our video like today. I hope you can watch the video. Watch it yourself without anyone's help. Only with video help. You can deposit cash, public bank. Stay well, stay healthy. Share the video if you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Last thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing my channel. See you again in another new video with a new topic. I will be by your side. I will bring you the details of your daily life. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box. I will try to reply to you very soon.